oceans in between us, and away for shore is a gate I see. There's a way for me. Now this one sits here and whispers things to me. Now I got the devil inside. This one made a pig of me. This wall is primal, my grinding jaw. The headache pill, the necktie on my bedroom door. My conscience burning, my eyes are tear, cuddled up with a heart condemned. I should love it.